How to send USDT from Bybit to another wallet. Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So for that, you can open up the Bybit application first on your screen, and you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do from the given interface is look for the option called Assets in the bottom right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here it will show you all of your assets. Now all you gotta do is you need to look for the deposit option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you need to select up your preferred pair. For example, USDT. So just go ahead and type in USDT in the search bar. And then once you go ahead and select USDT, it will show you this option where you need to enter up the address, network chain, amount in order to withdraw. So in order to add the address, the thing you need to do is open up another wallet in which you would like it to be transferred. For example, Trust Wallet. So just go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application and search for USDT. When you go ahead and open up Trust Wallet, you should be finding this interface. You need to go ahead and tap on Receive and then go ahead and search for USDT and tap on it. So once you tap on USDT like this, search for USDT, the one that you are looking for, tap on it. And then there you should be finding address. Now all you gotta do is simply copy the address, or you can even use the QR code available. So for now you can copy the address, and once you've copied the address, you may head over to the Bybit application again. And then once you head over to Bybit application, you may just go ahead and paste the address that we just copied from another wallet right here in this address section. After that, choose up your network type, your chain type, and then select up the amount, like what amount you would like to be transferred. Just go ahead and tap on it and tap on withdraw, and when you do that, it should do it. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.